Welcome to Ngobotonte Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobotonte Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. My brothers, how's it?
Hey, konam jan bot.
Fokile man. And balabana man umakwe.
Mabulabula na Masebe.
Masebe.
Usuka Thembisi.
Athembisi ya.
Yeah.
Me
Wona swilo swi nga starala.
sokusase.
Swilo swa ku saseka.
Inles nga saseka. I drawing ya munhla or maybe iswanyana.
I draw ya namuntlha boy.
Ya munhla ne.
Wa ngibona birthday boy.
Nangibona
Iri xigubu xibango.
Xibango.
Watwa nkinga ya Chiefs yini?
Ante.
Na wena nga yi coach.
Na mina yeah.
Defender Nedbank Cup. Winner derby. Bafaka top 8. Ita vi happy hili bo. Ita save job ya wena. Yeah.
Mara I game ya munhla. Me ibone njani game ya munhla?
Game ya namuntlha bot ne Chiefs isungule hi speed xile high.
15 minutes, yeah.
Yes, I expected maybe Chiefs ne
Bakona.
they are going to score a lot of goals.
Yeah.
Eh,
Mara mile handle ka camera. Ndikomora kuri mitali bro. Yeah. Yeah, mngana mama.
yeah, I expected Chiefs maybe yingakora the goal to
goals. Yeah.
So Chiefs yi disebe ngo vanhu ka gambling bot. Yes, mindyangu ita fayeka
Ngopfu ne?
mali. Yes. Vasesi va ta teka tibeke va famba.
Basesi ba
Va ta famba vasesi.
basiya vavanuna.
Va ta siya vanhu mali karava.
Eish.
A va byele ku this was an obvious game.
Yeah.
They won.
Akufane ku ri win. Mara akungari obvious game. Ehleketani ku ri coach Arthur Zwane I former coach ya bona. And bangihlongorile. And alaba ku prove a point. So for him to come here angalaba ku win ntsena, alaba ku prove a point ku ri mina lahlile. And the boys kunamba hana ma kunaba events, even the goalkeeper Darren Johnson is one of the best.
Ana la tata kwala.
Eh.
Sometimes like ya tira bolweni bo.
Ngofu.
Loko ava korile sweswiwani a yi ta vulavula swin'wana.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So ava va nga na laki Chiefs. So coach a yona ne. Coach a yona a ni tivi ku nkinga ku nga va ku ri yini.
Yeah.
Ante
Fanele ba hakela nganga.
va na nganga ku na nganga.
Or n'wina mi va lomba matandza.
Matanda emelekaya matanda a va nyikiwi munhu matanda a va nyikiwi nchumu va ta tlhela va phayina hi matanda ma hina xidudla leswi swa hina swa bakaniya hi swi lava swona.
No, I can't support it. All the best Saturday aga calling big level.
Thank you very much.
Danke Puti.
Thank you.
Sharp. Pay the boy.